Ito siya. Ito yung rest, oxygen, oxygen, and rest. Yan. Ito siya. Dito siya na part. Then, pwede din siya dito. Kasi nga, dalawang ester ang nangyari. Kaya nga, phospho, di, refers to two ester bonds ang nangyayari. Do you follow? Phospho, di-ester bond. Kasi dito yung R. Nakita ko sa inyo. Balik natin. Yan. The ester is made out of rest, carbon, oxygen, oxygen. Rest. Ito yung carbon. R. Ito muna yung R. Rest, carbon, oxygen, oxygen, rest. Gets? Dito yung first na R. Rest, carbon, oxygen, oxygen, rest. Kaya siyang R4. Dito naman, ganun pa rin. Rest, oxygen, oxygen, carbon, then the rest of the attachment. Kaya siya phospho di-ester bond. Kasi may dalawang ester functional group dito.
Sir, ulit ko, sir.
Ano yan?
Okay, ulit po.
Merong, eto kasi sila, nucleotides na ito sila. Nagkakaroon kasi ng bonding formation between two nucleotides, no? Hindi ito base ha. Remember, ito yung base. Ang nag-bind dito is between the phosphate of the first phosphate of first nucleotides and the sugar of the second nucleotides. So, ang bonding happens here, no? Kung saan nagpo-form ng ester bond. So, the ester bond is ito. Ito yung general structure niya. No? General formula niya ng ester bond. That is rest, referring to attachment. C, refers to carbon. Then oxygen, oxygen. Then the rest of the attachment. So, dito yan siya magsa-start. First is the rest. Dito yung carbon. Then, 2 oxygen, right? OO. Then, another rest. Refers to the phosphate. Kaya siya R-CO-4. Then, dito na naman, R-CO. Dito na naman. R-CO-OOR. Kaya siya phospho di-ester bond. Okay na? Yan. So, yun. No? So, yun ang ester bonds, no? So, dito, there is 3 to 5 phospho di-ester bonds na nangyayari, no? 3 refers to the location, no? Kung saan naka-attach tayo, kung saan carbon naka-attach tayo sa 3 and the 5 carbon. Because the third carbon of the first nucleotides, ito siya, bonds or links with the fifth carbon of the second nucleotides. Second nucleotides. So, ito 3, ito yung 5, ito naman yung 3. Zoom ko sana ganito. RNA single strand, no? The primary structure of RNA is a single strand of nucleotides with the base. Tandaan nyo yung base ng RNA, adenine, cytosine, guanine, and uracil. So, walang thymine dito kasi nga RNA ito. Thymine happens only in DNA. Is linked by phosphodiester bonds between ribose and phosphate. So, alin ang ribose dito? Ito. Alin ang phosphate sa ikalawa? Ito. Kaya nga, di ba? A bond between ribose and the phosphate. No. And forms a 3' to 5' phosphodiester bond. So, ito yung 3. Refers to the location of the carbon, no, in the sugar group. Kasi may carbon dito, 1, may carbon din dito, 2, ito yung 3, ito yung 4, ito yung 5. Tandaan nyo, may number yan. Ito, 3, 5, yan. Dito rin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 dito, 5. Imagine nyo na lang na dito, merong carbon yan dito talaga. Hindi lang in-indicate para hindi masyadong complicated dito. Pero, sa imaginary carbon yan. Kasi nga, kung i-change nyo siya into structure, talagang makikita nyo na may carbon dyan. No? Kahit sa 3D form niya or sa ball and stick model niya, merong carbon talaga dyan. So, mas maganda talaga na kung actually ito with laboratory para malaman nyo kung paano mag-construct ng structure using the ball and stick model.
Ano yung sir, likod?
Mas madalas kasi ako always talaga ako nagpa-laboratory ng ball and stick model sa mga estudyante para malaman nila kung paano gawin 3D form ng structure. Kung sa itsuraan, di ba, kung buhaton siya sa stick of ball, pag mabuo siya. So, dira mo ma-amaze nga ingana na yung structure niya. So, yun, no? Forms a 3,5-phosphodiester bond. So, kung napapansin niyo ang sequence niya, that is 5-3. So, dito, sa baba, starts with the 3rd prime. The last one starts with the 5th prime. So, this only happens in a single strand. But, in a double helix strand in the DNA, ang nangyayari, etong hydrogen group niya nagbabind with another strand na naman. Pero reverse. Kung saan 5' dito, 3rd prime dito. Sa kabila, dito ang 3rd prime, dito ang 5th prime. Para mag-match ang mga nitrogenous base. Okay? Para mag-match sila. Pwede silang mag-link at mag-form ng hydrogen bond. So, the complementarity, no? Ito lang yung tandaan niyo, cytosine always bonds with guanine. But the adenine only bonds with thymine in DNA. So, sa RNA hindi. But in the RNA form, the adenine only bonds with uracil. That's the only difference. Ito yung constant, cytosine and guanine. Na kahit sa RNA, nagbabind pa rin ang cytosine at guanine. So, ito na yung constant, ito na yung nagkakaiba between DNA and RNA. So, then, yung hydroxyl sa second carbon nila. Sa RNA, merong hydroxyl. Sa DNA, walang hydroxyl doon. Both are carbon is attached with 2 hydrogen only. Kaya siya dioxy. Meaning oxygen to dioxy or deoxy. And it's being linked by hydrogen bond. And explain sa inyo, the weakest bond is hydrogen bond. Take note nyo. Yan ang pinaka-weak. Then, the purines, and pyrimidines. Ganito yun. Ano to? Mostly ng sequence nila. Number of purines and number of pyrimidines being matched. No? So, dito meron tayong example kung saan nag-bind ang guanine into cytosine kasi ito yung constant, di ba? Ito yung constant. Ito siya, baka malito kayo ito yung ito yung sugar form. Ito yung guanine. Ito yung sugar form, ito yung guanine. Ito yung sugar form. Saka hindi nakasali yung hindi nakasali yung nitrogenous base sa drawing. Masyadong maikli. Example lang ito. So, ito yung minor group kasi nga sa sequence ng sa sequence ng nitrogenous base. This is the constant. Ito yung madalas na nakikita na combination or constant na combination, which is the carbon, which is the guanine, which refers to as the minor group. Yung major group is between adenine and thymine or adenine and uracil. Depende yan siya kung siya na sequence siya na sequence ng RNA ba or DNA. So, ayan let's see. So, dito yung sugar. Yan. So, this is the this is the nitrogenous base paired between two. So, titingnan nyo from adenine, from guanine, ito siya, the minor group, this is the guanine, and this is the cytosine. Ito siya. Ano yung classification ng ito yung structure ng cytosine kanina. At saka ito yung guanine. So, double ring tandaan nyo. Ito single ring cytosine. O, balik tayo. Balik tayo doon. Ito yun. Yung guanine. Meron dalawang ring. Ito yung cytosine. May isang ring. So, dito nag-undergo sila ng hydrogen bond. Hydrogen bond that links both oxygen and nitrogen of the cytosine and the oxygen of the guanine. And dito din, hydrogen bond between two nitrogen of both nitrogenous base. Then dito, nitrogen, hydrogen, and oxygen. The oxygen of the first nitrogenous base and the nitrogen of the second nitrogenous base. Then dito, sugar attachment na hindi lang pinakita. So dito, base lang para maging direct to the point tayo makita natin kung saan talaga nagpo-perform ng hydrogen bond ng mga bases. So dito naman is the adenine. Ito, adenine. Ito na naman yung thymine. So same pa rin, nag-undergo sila ng hydrogen bond. No, during the series of the strand, the links between two strands sa DNA. Ganito yun, merong hydrogen present yan sa gitna, no, sa helix niya. So, example tayo. Eto. So, alam niyo na yung sequence. So, meron akong question dito. Give the complementary base sequence for matching the strands of the following DNA section. For example, ito yung first section ng DNA. Ano yung dapat i-match sa adenosine? Sa ano to? Sa A, sa adenine.
Thymine, sir.
Guanine, sir.
Ano ang dapat i-match dito?
Guanine.
Dito.
Thymine, sir.
Remember ha, DNA section ito. Dito,
DNA man siya, sir. So, ang complementary sa adenine kay thymine.
so dito,
Cytosine.
cytosine, ano?
Guanine, sir.
Guanine.
Dito,
Guanine.
dito,
Thymine. Thymine.
dito, thymine.
Thymine.
Cytosine.
Thymine, sir.
Dito,
Adenine po. Adenine, tapos guanine.
Adenine.
okay, check natin.
Guanine.
Yan. So, eto na klaro na kaayo. Sa major group and minor group. Tignan natin, tignan ninyo. So, A is being paired with P, C is always being paired with C. So, ma-nitrogen ba na, or ma-nitrogen ba na, or ma-DNA ba na, or ma-RNA ba na? So, T is being paired with A, C, G, C to G, A to T, A, T, which is thymine. Then, kung thymine naman, adenine. Then, kung cytosine, guanine. So, this only happens in DNA kasi sa RNA, iba na ang pinipaired sa adenine. Kundi, ano? Ano ang pinipaired sa adenine?
Uracil.
Uracil.
Yes, uracil.
Uracil, sir.
Sa RNA yan siya. So, hit tayo. So, eto ang nangyayari sa ano to, sa helix ng DNA, no? Kung saan yung strand, yung direction ng strand and attachment magkaiba. Kung saan they move to the opposite direction, no? So, eto, nasa 5' tayo kasi nga ang 5th carbon which leads to the upper, no? Which leads the upper sequence of the strand, first strand. Then, sa second naman is the opposite, which is the 3rd prime. Kung saan dito, ang present dito is ang 3rd carbon ng sugar. So, in the helix change, each ends of the helix contains the 5 ends, ends of one strand and the 3 ends of the other. So, dito. Kasi kung pareho silang 5th dito, 5th carbon dito, hindi magka-match ito sila. Hindi sila magpapag. No? Magkakaroon ng repulsion. Excuse me. Hindi sila magpi-fit, no? Hindi sila mag-complement. So, yun, all of them undergoes phosphate deoxyribose backbone. Ito, deoxyribose backbone. Kasi nga, remember, ang sugar dito is deoxyribose. Diba? Kasi nga, ang second carbon dito, walang hydroxyl. Kundi, ang carbon niya attached to 2 carbons and 2 hydrogens. Kasi nga, ang carbon natin, kaya lang mag-bind with 4 valence. Diba? So, yun. Ito siya, thymine, adenine, being paired with thymine. Undergoes hydrogen bond between the two. So, dito naman yung phosphodiester, no, nangyayari. Phosphodiester bond happens only with both sugar and phosphate. So, ito, sugar, phosphate, so on. Same pa rin yan dito. Kaya dito, nagkakaroon ng phosphate deoxyribose backbone. So dito naman is ang nitrogenous bases natin, no? Adenine, thymine, ito, hindi ako familiar dito sa ibang ito, this is kwan pala, cytosine pala ito. Then this is guanine. Cytosine, guanine, thymine, adenine, guanine, cytosine. Yan. So, okay, nagets na? So, ito yung helical structure niya. No? The hydrogen bond happens here between nitrogens. Ito yung glycosidic bond. No? And the phosphodiesterase bonds happens with phosphate and so the glycosidic bond, no, happens between sugar and nitrogenous base. Yan sila. Base, nitrogenous base, both nitrogenous base bonds with hydrogen bond. Kung sugar naman and phosphate, that is phosphodiesterase. Pag nitrogenous base and sugar, glycosidic bond. Okay. Ito ang glycosidic bond. Ito. Kuha. Etong glycosidic bond. Kasi etong sugar, etong nitrogen. Glycosidic bond. Ito. Phosphodiesterase bond. Ito, dito. Hydrogen bond, dito sa gitna. Kung saan nagbabind ang dalawang nitrogen. Nitrogen base. 1, 2, dito. Yan. So, in-explain na natin yung minor group at major group kanina. They move to the opposite direction in order them to create a helical structure and to have a complementary bond with both nitrogenous base. So dito starts with 3rd prime, dito starts with 5th prime, dito starts with 3' carbon. So the generacy of the genetic code, several codones may code for the same amino acid, no? Ano siya? When we say codone, it is a parang siyang specific sequence, no, of 3 nucleotides, of 3 consecutive nucleotides, no, that is part of the genetic code. Parang isa siyang ganito. Isang ganito, tatlong ganito. Kasi nucleotides ito, di ba? Isa, dalawa, tatlo. No? Combination na isang ng tatlong ito ay isang codone na tinatawag. Codone. No? 3 consecutive nucleotides, that is part of the genetic code, no? And that specifies a particular amino acid, no? Kasi ginagamit itong DNA as template for genetic code like that. And protein or starts of the stop. May sequence din yan na kung saan nagsistart yung reading ng template at meron din yung stop protein na tinatawag kung saan nagsistop yung protein. At saka ma-end yung production ng protein sa ribosome. Kasi nga, yung DNA, yun yung pinagkukunan kasi ng template ng messenger RNA or mRNA. Yan siya. Then yung messenger RNA, yun yung binabasa ng ribosomes ng dalawang ribosomal subunit with the aid of transfer RNA na to read a specific sequence of codone para mag-create ng amino acid, then furtherly will turn into protein. DNA forms no, meron tayong cDNA, eDNA, and aDNA, the right-handed double helix. No? So, ito yung most abundant. zDNA is the unique or left-handed helical. No? Then yung aDNA naman is the dehydrated aDNA form. Dehydrated pDNA form. So the information transmission, the information stored in DNA transferred to RNA and then expressed in the sequence of protein. So ganito yung nangyayari no. From DNA, nagkakaroon tayo undergo ng transcription kung saan ginagamit ng template ng DNA. Basis ang DNA for template. Ginagamit siya as template sa ng RNA para mag-create ng protein. In this sequence, tawag dito is transcription. Sa dito naman is translation kung saan yung RNA na mismo nagpo-produce ng protein. No? So, yan. The purpose of this phenomenon is for mechanism is for growth, replication, cell division, then so frequent na nangyayari ito kasi madalas naman talaga nagsisynthesize ng protein ang RNA as long as may mabasa siyang template. May mabasa siyang start codon sa katawan, sa cell rather. So, tingnan natin kung meron tayong video ng reading ng para mas maliwanagan kayo. Kasi kung wala akong dito, maghanap ako sa next meeting natin. Okay, meron pala. So, we have here meiosis. Panoorin natin to. Meron din akong from DNA to protein. Siguro mas madali ito. Tingnan natin. Kasi parang mahaba ito isa. Kasi from food talaga ito hanggang sa transcription. From DNA to protein. Direct to the point na lang din. Kasi ito okay man din. Medyo mahaba. Siguro. Kasi from food, we eat ito hanggang sa tingnan din natin kung saan may magandang presentation sa dalawang video.
Here is a cell, the base structure called
Lagman, sir. Sir,
in humans, the genome.
Ano?
Lag.
Wait lang. Sige, repeat natin. Pero ma-clear ninyo, okay siya, maklaro na ang video?
Opo, sir.
Okay na?
Klase, ako kagina-gina mo tanga.
Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Okay, sige.
Here is a cell, the basic unit of all living tissue. In most human cells, there is a structure called the nucleus. The nucleus contains the genome. In humans, the genome is split between 23 pairs of chromosomes. Each chromosome contains a long strand of DNA, tightly packaged around proteins called histones. Within the DNA are sections called genes. These genes contain the instructions for making proteins. When a gene is switched on, an enzyme called RNA polymerase attaches to the start of the gene. It moves along the DNA, making a strand of messenger RNA out of 3 bases in the nucleus. The DNA code determines the order in which the 3 bases are added to the messenger RNA. This process is called transcription. Before the messenger RNA can be used as a template for the production of proteins, it needs to be processed. This involves removing and adding sections of RNA. The messenger RNA then moves out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm. Protein factories in the cytoplasm, called ribosomes, bind to the messenger RNA. The ribosome reads the code in the messenger RNA to produce a chain made up of amino acids. There are 20 different types of amino acid. Transfer RNA molecules carry the amino acids to the ribosome. The messenger RNA is read 3 bases at a time. As each triplet is read, a transfer RNA delivers the corresponding amino acid. This is added to a growing chain of amino acids. Once the last amino acid has been added, the chain folds into a complex 3D shape to form the protein.
So, ayun, nakita nyo. Madali lang, no? So, yun, pinakita dito, balik tayo.
Sir, dali kayo, sir.
Dali kayo siya, basta nalagi video, dali lang yung kayo.
Genome. 3 pairs of chromosomes.
So, chromosome is the source of...
Each chromosome tightly packaged around proteins called histones. Within the DNA, these genes contain the and ends to the start of the gene, the DNA, making a
So, ayan, no, in here, kasi meron tayong tinawag na RNA polymerase. So, ito yung enzyme. Ito yung siya, itong brown. Ito yung enzyme na nagsaseparate ng strand ng DNA. Kasi double helix strand ito. Binibiyak niya. At the same time, eto mga bases na ito, mga free bases na ito yung nagpa-match up, no? Dito sa DNA. No? Translation, tawag dito ay tawag dito is transcription. Okay. So doon, ang tawag doon is transcription, no? Kung saan pinoproduce pa lang yung messenger RNA, yung nagsisilbing template, no? Na babasahin ng ribosome. No? Yung template na yun is yung RNA or yung messenger RNA to be specific.
strand of messenger RNA out of 3 bases in the nucleus. The DNA code.
Yan. So, ito na yung tinatawag ko na every 3 nucleotides, kakaroon tayo ng isang codon. So, isang codon ito. Ito yung tinatawag na start codon, in which adenine, uracil, guanine. Ito yung start codon. Na ito na yung magsisilbing template. Ito nating messenger RNA. No? Kung saan babasahin siya, pagkatapos ng process ito, babasahin siya ng ribosome, no? Para makaproduce ng protein out of the genetic code. So, ito yun siya, ang genetic code. No? Saan ang pairing, di ba? Sabi ko sa inyo na kung both DNA helical structure siya Kung napapansin nyo, dito T is being paired with A. But again, now, here, A is being paired with U. Kasi nga, ang pinoproduce na dito is RNA na, hindi na DNA. You follow? So, tingnan nyo yung sequence ha. A pag T ang DNA. Dito U pag A ang DNA. Dito C constant ito. GC, CG. Dito naman A pag timing yung naging basis ng template. Dito naman CG, dito A, AT, dito naman is GC, dito naman U, A. Kasi nga dito RNA na ito.
Determines the order in which the free bases are added to the messenger RNA.
Ang sa hindi natin correct. Ano yun? Ano yun? Okay, tingnan natin.
Yes, sir.
Process.
Diba, sir, kanang adenine og timing.
Oo.
Naapo dyan, sir. Pero di ba RNA ang ginagawa niya, sir?
Like acid ang kani RNA. Kasi nga, gumagawa na ng template kasi. Pero kung ito, binding between these two strands, helical structure, constant at na ang adenine, ang complementary base niya is thymine. No? Pero dito kasi, ang nangyayari, gumagawa ng ribonucleic acid. Kung saan, ang A na ngayon is being paired with U.
This is called transcription.
Transcription ang tinatawag dyan. So, eto na ngayon yung RNA.
Before the messenger RNA can be used as a
So, dito, ang sequence dito, wala nang meron. Sa sequence dito, eto yung start codon. Hanggang sa makaproduce siya ng end codon or end sequence na codon. Pero ito, RNA na ito.
template for the production of proteins. It needs to be processed. This involves moving and adding sections of RNA. The messenger RNA then moves out of the nucleus into the cytoplasm.
So, ayan, patapos na ang transcription. Now, pag na-bind na itong
Protein
RNA,
factories in the cytoplasm called
pag nag-bind na itong RNA into the ribosome, ito, kasi nga purpose ng ribosome is protein synthesis, dito na mag-start yung translation to protein.
ribosomes bind to the messenger RNA. The ribosome reads the code in the messenger RNA to produce a chain made up of amino acids.
Yan.
There are 20 different types of amino acids.
So, ito yung transfer RNA. RNA pa rin ito. No? Ano nga yung wala sa RNA? Walang?
Thymine.
Ito. So, yun ang wala. So, kaya nga sa production ng protein sa ribosomes, meron tayong tinatawag na transfer RNA na nagmamatch sa sequence ng codon natin. Yung codon is every three groups. No, every group composed of 3 nucleotides. Ito yung mga nucleotides natin. No? Combination of 3 nucleotides being paired with its complementary messenger RNA creates a single amino acid. Ito na yung amino acid. Hanggang sa mag-produce ng
Transfer RNA molecules carry the amino acids to the ribosome. The messenger RNA is read 3 bases at a time.
Yan. So, yung transfer RNA na naman, naghahanap siya ng complement niya sa RNA. Kung saan dito, remember, this is now ribonucleic acid. RNA. Dito, RNA pa rin ito. Kaya wala nang thymine na present. Gets ninyo? Wala nang letter T. Kasi nga ang thymine only happens in the double helix strand in the DNP. So dito wala nang T. So, it ko ha. So it's already time.
As each triplet is read, a transfer RNA delivers the corresponding amino acid. This is added to a growing chain of amino acids. Once the last amino acid has been added, the chain folds into a complex 3D shape to form the protein.
So, ayan na ngayon. So, translation na siya to create protein. Okay na no, that ends our last day. Dali naman ang video. Mas dali gani ang video. Kaysa verbal explanation. Kasi dili na lisod siya i-imagine ba? Baga. Diba? So it's already 9:25. So before ko mag-leave, take sa picture number of participants.
Happy birthday, sir.
Okay. So, thank you, no?
Sir, excuse, pwede mo mutana?
Yes, ang saan to?
Mag-send ka atong word ni Doc, sir.
Ano to?
Mag-send ka atong topic na ginatakal ni.
Karon nag yesterday. Yesterday o karon? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Oo. At saka, hapit na yung kwan ba? Parang hapit na yata yung first exam.
Kung atong sa farm more project, sir.
12, no? 12 to, no? February 12?
12 to 14 daw, sir.
12 to 14.
Maayo para namin kabisihan sa 14.
Wala, as in, sir, exam na.
All.
14?
Sana all. Jeka.
Sir,
Ay, kabisihan sa
12 to 14?
Sana all si Jeka.
Ate Rose, oo, te. 12 to 14 ang exam. Hello, Diyos ko, flight, manak ko, uy. 12.
Domingo man na.
So, sige no. Presents are sa first morning.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Salamat.
Happy birthday,
Happy
sir.
birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, sir.
Okay, salamat. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Attendance.
Na take ang picture ng participants. Okay na yun. Sige, salamat. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir. Sir.